If you suffer from overactive bladder, I want to talk to you, the one who still always has to go to the bathroom and sometimes doesn't make it. And before you think you've heard it all, please hear me. I was you. I tried all the pads and pills for a decade, and the treatments took over my life as much as the accidents. I found an expert physician who told me about a solution called Axonics Therapy, and it changed my life. It's not a drug, and it really works. It's a tiny device that can give you lasting relief. You barely have to think about it, and it helped put me in control of my bladder. Best thing, you can try it out first to make sure it works for you. You don't have to live like this. I only wish I'd heard about it sooner, which is why I'm here. Go to findrealrelief.com to get started. Talk to a bladder specialist about the risks and benefits of Axonics therapy and to find out if it's right for you. Results and experiences may vary. You've got nothing to lose except all those pads and pills.